It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
Good morning. Good morning, Lions. How we doing? Good morning. Let's go. Good morning, Lions. How we doing? Happy Tuesday. Happy CPI. Let's go. Right as Happy Tuesday. Happy CPI. Expectations. Yo, 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 yo. Right as Shoutouts calling noob. Good morning. Welcome, Nervo. Petrus, Curvies. Hi, world. Let's go. Good morning. Welcome, Nervo. Petrus, Curvies. Latisse, Crypto Craze. Ogre Multicolor. Crypto Craze. Daga. Bergix. Shoutouts, PSG. Il Pasoto, CPI time. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Juiciest. Line records.
I've been deep in my charts.
How we doing? How we doing? Happy Tuesday. Oh, oh, oh. Single print. Math is the math. The juice is the juice. The CPI is the CPI. Let's go. Look at that sweep on ES. Wow. Damon. Happy 420, taking profit. Let's go. Glitch, Chab Superstar. Mark. QR Project. Liamzi. Grimes, Insistence, Nitrogen, Jupiter, LAX, Crispy. Let's go. Gaboo. Shout out to YouTube. Pascal, how we doing? Stream Elements in the house. Jay Sucks. Minio, Kimba Gang always. Shouts Kimba Gang always. Good morning, Ash. How you doing? Lions, how we doing? Uchiha. We Gucci. We strong. Let's go, Leonzi. Let's go. Well, right at expectations, huh?
On a weekend.
It's Polly. Ace, let's go. Good morning. Chab Superstar. I'm doing great. How are you doing? Shout out to CoinWise. Beautiful indicators. Alpha education. Journal. Juice. So much more. Long silver these days when they break out. I like that strategy, Hitman. Yeah, let's look at silver in a minute.
Useless. Line records.
Yeah. Holding VWAP, previous week VWAP, resistance becoming support.
I've been deep in my charts.
Yeah, and this is a pretty important zone, that 91, 92. 91, 92. A lot of positions closing. De-risking for the most part, in my opinion. A little bit of a push early morning today. Some top longs getting closed out. Nothing major, nothing special. I'm excited to see what the U.S. market open is going to bring. Low voice, is it too quiet? Let me get situated. I just sat in the chair. Three-minute ads. Kachoya mango box. Is the music too loud? Seems okay. Thanks. Sold early. Shout out to Sold Early. Let's go, Crispy. Shout out to Mark. Let's get it. Let's get it. Holding the single print on spot. Baby sweet for ants. Oh, you might be getting an echo, maybe. One of these is on. Better? Longs ES, close it on that. Juice, let's go, Grenade. Good morning. Let's go, J-Sox. Exclamation dashboard for the entire stream schedule. And we got a couple things going on. Space trade competition got extended a little bit. Let's go. Shouts to the space trading enjoyers. Big money up for grabs. KCEX has a depot bonus. Exclamation KCEX, exclamation KOJ, exclamation dashboard. Let's go. Exclamation CoinWise for 14-day free trial. Tree trial. Let's get it. It's been a couple of weeks for me, bud. We juicing. Who juicing? Who juicing? Who wants some prediction points? All right, they're up. Get your predictions in. Exclamation merch. Let's get it. Let's go. V1 merch. Let's go, Damon. Yep, deviate previous day value, type back in. Right here. Previous day, TPO point of control, single print, marginal support, VWAP, previous week, daily VWAP, holding support, breakout off the daily open, as usual. It's really happening a lot lately. And then holding weekly open. Yep, ever since yesterday when we broke out off of the market open. Pretty nice, pretty nice. CVD is not looking as great. It's a good order flow. Get it open.
One shot you on my track. They shout at the seat. Let you show finger flip. KIMBA with no script. Just flow, just drip.
Yeah, how's that? A little bit of selling into this move on Bybito. Longs closing, shorts opening. Nothing too crazy though. Not really anyone trapped. And then a little bit of CVD hidden divergence. But on spot, it looked a little different. And then nothing too big in the terms of heat maps. You know, it's pretty normal right at the Vala events. Parking a little something under price. The same dude has been doing this for like months now. What's more interesting is just like stacking a little bit of orders up there. It's that same 2K Venancio. And then let's see Coinbase. I'm not trying to look at Aave. No offense, Aave. Big D energy. Where are you? Oh, there it is. It's just the map is all. Yeah, nothing big. Somebody's got something at 94.5, like kind of protecting the sweep maybe. Yeah, but nothing crazy. And then we'll look at this again later, but big boot gammas for, is today the 13th? Yeah. 69.90. Yeah, and this is index, not ES, which I usually am displaying on screen. So it's got a little bit more room. Yeah, probably gap up as long as we hold this into the open. Gap up above the all-time highs, possibly. Maybe not that much though. Yeah, close at 69.77. Try to short chain link. We got lions looking for shorts. We got lions that are long. Yeah, just manage your risk. Yeah, I just updated it. The divergences, which is the name of the indicator, automatically will plot current, regular, and hidden divs, as well as previous ones, just based on your thresholds. I have it on CVD right now. I just don't like to see it on the main chart. My charts are busy enough as it is, but it will do it. RTH, let go. It's coming up, Stray. Let's go. Long's wrong. Is it wrong to be a long? I don't think so. If you longed at 93K, you might be sweating a little bit. Not really, Blink John. We just kind of looked at order flow. There's nothing really too bad. There's like a little bit of longs that still haven't closed out, but it's nothing crazy. Yeah, a little bit of de-risking into the numbers, and nothing too major coming in. Yeah, still got the sweep intact on CME, sweep on ES. They could invalidate it on market open. Yeah, and that buyback is pretty strong. Still trying to hold VWAP, holding weekly VWAP on CME, monthly VWAP. Yeah, things are okay. Korea's long. Juice! Exclamation who juicing. Good morning, JV. How you doing? There's CoinWise levels, where our VWAPs are, settlement, PDEQ, daily open, all that. And then we got TPO PVP marking our value areas, points of control, and single prints. Let's go. We really don't need anything else, other than high time frame structure. We're getting it. We're getting it. Good morning, Cage. How you doing? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, 92 turning into support. But as long as ES, S&P, traditional markets are pumping, I mean, things are looking okay. What's a little concerning is we're at all-time highs on S&P and we're still sat like at range lows pretty much on VIDI. So S&P needs to break out for us to make that run to 96 or 98 or higher still. Let's go, Tomas. Thank you for the resub. Shout outs to you, brother. Join the round trip shorts. Yeah. Let's go, Stray. I mean, we've been sitting in this range for like almost 2 months now. So there's a lot of round trips both ways. Yeah, we've had a couple Christmas trees or Burges. More than a couple. But they are kind of walking it up. Little channel. And it's more clear with the structure on spot. Higher highs, higher lows. I like level to level, but we're just gonna do this as an exercise in something like that. I'm pretty loose with it when it comes to my trend lines and channels. Try to get as many touches as I can. That's not that bad. It's not like it matters that much anyway. It's just interesting to study it. Yeah, let's see that in higher time frame. VWAP from the bottom in November, I guess. Holding it now. Holding above point of control. From the bottom value area. Gotta go a little bit lower. There we go. Yep, outside of value now. Yeah, and if you go with the big range, we just need to hold outside of value if you want higher. The highs aren't great. That's TPO good, but pretty close. Especially if we start pressing up here, and the local highs aren't great either. Need to sweep it. Need to sweep it if you want lower, or just kind of roll over, but just leave a lot of liquidity if that's the case. And then coming back here, that is a sweep. And then you got this. And kind of the big level is 98. We need to get above our light 95 zone. And that'll open the door. If we keep pumping and pull back, depends on how high it goes, of course, but you start getting some closes up here, it's looking better for a pullback and retest. Yeah, I just need to hold outside value. And 27 indicators, for God's sakes. These are all like not going to make sense in the spur of the moment.
Something's been missing inside me. No data, no edge, no clarity. I've been guessing in the dark too long. Without the math, I get it all wrong. Out of my depth, no plan in hand. No juice, no chart, can't understand. Yeah, when I ain't in.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. We're holding this. Bad lows all the way. But this range, holding the bad lows, like this is the most interesting level out of all of them. You have this as well, down at around the 84 zone. Can we get a gamma squeeze on BTC if we get above 95? Maybe. Is this Friday the third Friday? I think so. Monthlies. Let's go Buzzcree. Let's go Curtis. Indo Lion, good morning. Let's go Blink John. Yeah, absorption. Buying up dips. Or just sellers are getting exhausted at the lows.
I lose control when I don't got math with me. Falling apart when edges a mystery. I lose control when I don't got data to read. No zone to clean. I ain't who I'm.
Yeah, and that was a swing field down there, so it's not a surprise that it pumped, but it still held that. So that was kind of interesting. Did anybody was anybody waiting for a sweep of this? It was like to the pixel. 90K. It swept on Binance. You don't really need much money to start Omega. Yeah, stick around. Check out the Discord. Matt's paying for options are 86K. Yeah. They haven't really been moving it that much, and it's not a monthly option or anything big money. Yeah, if it was monthly or quarterly or something, that'd be more exciting, but Thursday it kind of tends to suppress volatility in a lot of cases. You'll see that especially like after lunchtime on Thursdays. Yeah, even if it's just a weekly option. Yeah, Omega, join the Discord, exclamation Discord, it's free. Great community, best Discord community, not just for crypto, but anywhere. Right there. Yeah, so many great traders, lots and lots of resources. Yeah, it's juicy. And then exclamation CoinWise if you want to learn more, you know, analysis and practices. Use some of the amazing indicators that I'm using that you see off stream too on just like the away screen. They have journaling, which is highly recommended for every trader, brand new or veteran. And we got some veteran juice and whales in this community. Yeah, trading $100 million positions, some of them. Pretty crazy, isn't it? Yeah, it's juice. Mosley, thank you for the resub. Your ideal is nuke to value area low. Which value area low? The one for the whole range that I was showing a second ago? For the 2-week range, or the two-month range? Yeah, it's a fucking hot mess now. I can't even find my thing. Right below 86. 85 is an important level. Clean that. Clean the single print. It's like a lot of confluence down there. VWAP. VWAP band. Yeah, you got to get back in value first, though. I think it's going to take a pullback on an S&P. Pullback on S&P for all that. Yeah, it's not looking that pullbacky right now. It's looking like it's going to clean this high and maybe go for the previous year open at least. Possible to clean. This single print right here marks a week high, and then above it where the naked pointed controls are, that's another week high right there. Yeah, and although this high is relatively good at 94,825, it's not that great of a high. Yeah, on the daily it looks a lot better, which is fine. But we're just like kind of stacking up a bunch of weak highs as we move back in time. And so we start turning levels into support as we have been doing. You know, like this, through here. For example, that was weak. Turn that little zone into support. Then making a push for higher becomes more probable. Exclamation dashboard. Yeah, so Omega, the KTV gives away lots and lots of giveaways. Yeah, and all you have to do is join the exchanges. You don't have to deposit, you don't have to trade on them. You know, as you're learning, that's a great way to get some practice in with bonus funds. You're bullish for the month, Franza? I'm objective for the month, brother, but I'm glad to hear it. I hope you juice. According to your own research and grok. Let's go, Blink John. I go. How are you doing? Let's go, Damon. Let's go, Tinnick. Good morning. What about the 4 hour? For highs, you mean, on Franzo? You don't have to put in too much emphasis on the 4 hour from ETH. Oh, ding, 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 ding. Curvies, where are you at? You're always the one that... Oh, yeah, there you go, Blink John. Let's go Opo Soto. Let's go PSG. Shout out to PSG. If you don't know what PSG is, go to the Discord. Hardest workers in the whole KIMBA gang. Big shout outs to PSG. Hey, shout outs to the whole team. All the Lions. Shout outs Calling News. Shout outs Coke Zero. Shout outs Rod Delicious. Big cheers. Let's go, Crispy. That green candle. I know, dude. Yeah, they turned it into something nice. It was looking ugly and it looked nice. Hold that single print. Let's go. Let's go see what Tardfi is looking like. Uh-oh. But it's... But... Don't get me wrong, this structure is not great. This is all-time highs. That's all-time high from an hour ago. So if Biddy runs a little bit, you know, it's going to take more pullback than this for Biddy to nuke. And it's been doing this quite a bit the past like 2-3 weeks, hasn't it? S&P pulls back a little bit, Biddy has claimed a zone, and it'll kind of hold. CPI, PPI, it's on this playlist.
No rate cuts, but my letter's green. No brakes, Bugatti speed.
No, it's not. I thought it was.
Still getting paid off, patience, easy money indeed.
That's what I was looking for.
No rate cuts, still ballin'. Still juicing, still calling. Still up while they start.
We getting rate cuts in 2 weeks?
Whole world crying, we just charting. Pressure high, I take entries. No edge on position.
How's our chances looking now?
Edge so clean, make them envy. Back in the drought, I stay ready. KIMBA gang. Fed stalling, we blazing. Data sharp feels amazing. You guess and hope I wait with patience. No rate cut, still blazing. Still blazing. Rate don't drop, but my wrist still clean. Zone still blessed like triple beam. Still blazing.
Well, we'll start off with this one. I'm still looking for it.
Yeah. Who Juiciest? KIMBA gang.
Hey, shout outs to the whole team. Shout outs Cage, shout outs Juiciest. Big shout outs to KIMBA. Big things to come. Shout out Cyper, Buzz, Chauncey, MGK, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Don't ban me, Coin Nerd. Much love. Much love to the dev team, graphics team, video team. Hard-working Lions behind the scenes and right in front of you. He is coming back soon, Blink John. Exclamation, dashboard. Yeah, look at that. BLOFIN space trading competition got extended a little bit longer. Y'all can still do it. 10K up for grabs potentially. That's juice. Okay, so what objectives does CME have? We gapped up. Little dip the tip. Tap the high. I think they'll go for the gap fill, if not the single print. Maybe it sweeps, cleans this high right here, which is pretty ugly. Trades into the single print a little bit if it doesn't fill the whole thing. That's your RTH gap. Yeah, this dipped the tip into the this morning's gap. CME is kind of a liquid. Is it? I mean, that was like 3,500 Bitcoin on this high, on that one candle. I mean, it's not that a liquid. It's a liquid in ETH, maybe. You think so, really? Really, Blink John? It's just Tuesday, though, also. Yeah, they don't... I mean, volume's usually a little bit down going into big number days. Naked point of control. Is that on ETH and NPOC? Where? It's still loading. Yeah, about to tap that. Shoutouts Nitrogen. I'd be surprised if they didn't fill the gap, but not that surprised. And most of the lines have been here for a minute. Really, there's not much to surprise us. Right? Shoutouts to the OGs. You nerded the fuck out on market maker positioning over the weekend? Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty interesting, isn't it? You understand the gammas a little bit more? 1.T5. You looking at the 1.25 on this pullback? I changed my fibs. Yeah, it's like right at that high also. It's pretty nice. The 1.618 filling the single prints. Yeah, and that still leaves a little bit of room for those highs that are not that great. Yeah, and on the big pullback. Yeah, 1.618 locally, 7.5, fill the single print. Yeah, that's a little bit of confluence. I'm not getting too excited yet. I want to see what ES does. We're only like 9 minutes in, 10 minutes in. I guess I can pay out the points, huh? KIMBA box on the ETH gap. Are you KIMBA boxing in the gap? From the low, gap fill. It's probably 786, huh? Yep. Yeah, it's pretty nice, and I mean that's still value. day before yesterday, value area high. Previous day, value area low. DDEQ. Yeah, a lot of reasons that held. Yeah, going for that fill right now. On last week's gap. Oh yeah. All the way up there. Yeah. Yeah, and there's a giant gap above all the highs. Giant gap. That's from adjusted charts. We're not adjusting it yet until Friday. I'm trying to find that CPI song.
Drops low into the zone. RTH gap, yeah, we in the zone. Touch that level, you know it's lit. Liquidity grabbed, and it's time to flip. Bounce to the top, hit that wick. Moan that poppin', we moving quick. Yeah.
There you go. Slightly above 50% probability to hit max pain in expiry on SPX. What's max pain on SPX? Yeah, let's go, Blink John. I give less weight to a spot driven move. If the spot volume is sustained, then I am not looking to short until it loses structure. Yeah, if it's like a perps move, then I'll take a potentially take a swing fail. I'm more aggressive with it. However, if it is spot driven, that's actual buying of the asset, and you know, the probabilities go down for a success rate in fading that move. Misses often happen during macro events. We had CPI today. We have FOMC 2 weeks from tomorrow, right? Yeah, 2 weeks from tomorrow. You ready? It's almost gap fill now. Shouts to the dip the tip enjoyers. Yeah, let's see that. He has filled the gap and left a bad high. Pace on the trade, no rush, just lock it. Rate cut dreams in a post-fed docket. Pull back clean, yeah, the juice stay rocket. Lions in the den when the numbers get fed. Because I don't want to mess with it that much right now. Uptrend riding like a wave instead. If the wick too quick, we just let it go dead. Today CBR, we patient. Fake move, debate move, we weighing. Is it RTH, previous day, value area low, weekly VWAP could all hold. It's like a buying channel once we made it up here, and you see what happened the day before yesterday on Friday. Just had that big candle right off the open, and then like gradual buying and gap down. Are we gonna get something similar today? It's pulling back off the open instead of a big buying candle. Granted, we're not going into weekly options today, and there's room to pull back. Bad lows below. Through here. That was a clean, but held this 69.35 zone. Pretty nice. And that's pretty far away now. Not beyond the realm of a 1 day of price action. It's a little over 1%. But it would take a lot of selling. It might take all day if it was going to happen. Certainly not in one candle. Yeah, and that Beibu Gamma at 69.90 on index seems to be holding for now. Reject on the ETH gap fill? You mean reject here and start closing this gap? Nitrogen? I ain't here to chase, I'm here to flip that zone touch twice. I'ma run that clip back. Easy money in the morning, whole gang on standby. Wait for the juice, then we hit that landline. Shout out to Blink John. Max Payne 7250. Oh my god. I don't know. Yeah, with the gamma squeeze. I think if maybe if CPI came in cooler instead of at expectations, that would have been possible. Yeah, you got a lot of positioning pre-CPI, pre-numbers. 69.97 on ES. We'll see if it holds. We're right at index VWAP. Weekly VWAP here. That's RTH though. Yeah, it's kind of curled up a little higher. Off of the open today. Yeah, I can see it at least cleaning this. It's a good low for today's session. I mean, this is absurd right here. But that was on RTH Open. Is it going to be another BART? Christmas tree and BART season? Fill the bullish gap and then ping pong ding dong, probably. Nitrogen. Shiny Rocks, new all-time high. Which ones? All of them? It wouldn't surprise me. Lordy, if they leave that gap like that, too funny. Especially with that high being so bad. Okay, let's see. Let's see your Shiny Rocks. Let's see gold first, yo. Ooh-wee. Oh wait. Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, Bugatti. It's gotta be testnet. That was coming though. These highs were so bad. Yeah, and yesterday, closing above all-time high. You know what that means. It's just a matter of time. At some point, we're gonna see 5K gold. Probably sooner rather than later. Let's see silver. It's just CFDs, but good God. Silver is so much more bullish. I think we're gonna see $100 silver pretty soon. That doesn't mean long it right now. Yeah, long the all-time high. At least wait for a pullback. You kind of got it, like somebody got it. That consolidation there, but it really wasn't a pullback. Insane. Yeah, what's the crazy part is like a few months ago, it was trading in the 20s. Yeah, I guess 6 months ago. But even still, it was like trying to break from this. Weekly. Broke the all-time highs in like a month or two ago. November. Crazy. Yeah, silver's looking good. Stronger than gold, in my opinion. But both are looking really, really good. Silver's in the sky, Hitman Gucci. Let's go. Juice up, brother. Bart season mark. Yeah, maybe. You see a lot of it. You don't mind long in the all-time high? Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay with it if you get a pullback. You just got to manage your risk. Let's go, Houston. Someone said go Steelers last night. Wasn't last night Monday? Was there a game on? I thought it was playoffs. Let's go Houston. That was big, huh? Are they stretching playoffs off, like, out for 3-4 days now instead of just Saturdays and Sundays? Got some big things coming up. Shout out to NFL enjoyers. Yeah, let's go Omar's. Yeah, I have some physical silver. Not a bad decision, huh? Let's go for Edward. Just buy high, sell kind of higher. Yeah, I've had some juicy trades off of all-time highs. Yeah, the risk is higher though. You just gotta trail your stops and have conviction. You know, read the order flow and everything. Wild card yesterday. Let's go Kirby's. Yeah, it looked like a blowout. That feels good, right, Houston? More days, more money, of course. Let's get back over to Biddy. Maybe we'll look at some ETH. Some F. Shout outs maybe Band-Aid. Oh my goodness. Yikes.
Risk, don't peek in my win, bro. Yeah, charge flipping fast like GameCube and Nintendo. Yeah, PP I drop. Yeah, bang bang, get low. Yeah, if you ain't trade with us, why you in my space though? Yeah,
we got 4 minutes. 3 minutes and change. Market open. Was green. Shout outs green candle enjoyers. Yeah, there's that naked point of control. Looking pretty nice. Looking pretty nice. Yeah, we tuck in though. It's looking like a sweep. Clean that bad high. We kind of clean this low. Let's go, Bud Fox. Batman, I see you. Shout out to Anacott Steel. Let's go, Leon Z. Let's go to that boy. Houston. Zach 786. Let's go. That's a good number. It's a good number. Hey, KCEX. Exclamation KCEX. Depot bonus. Let's go. Check out the Discord for the details. Space trading competition extended. Exclamation KOJ. Let's go. QC's got himself a Texas flag, a Texas state emote. Let's go. Let's go pure manipulation. Backity back, back, back. I'm Sin. Let go. He's got his coffee in his cup. Hope it's a KIMBA cup. Exclamation merch. Shout outs. Biff 'em. Shout outs Coinwise. Shout outs Lions of Laquania. Exclamation NFT. Bud Fox, you juicing on steel or gold or silver? What you looking at? To Nick, standard deviations, yeah. I like ATR, but I'll look at the deviation bands on VWAP as well. Yeah, mostly anchored, although daily is pretty nice. Yeah, VWAP standard deviation bands are pretty nice. However you use them, I like to keep my charts a little bit, I mean, you see, I like to keep my charts clean in this hot mess that you see in front of you. But yeah, I'm a big appreciator of that, and ATR as well. Yeah, I don't remember the ATR indicator that I have. I don't want to like search for it. It's on one of my templates. No, Tinic. Yeah, I'll fib and I'll use fib extensions. Sometimes I'll do like nested fibs, like the fibception. But I put a lot less weight into that than I do for like the some of the other strategies or methods. You're juicing on graphene? Graphene? Is that a new shitcoin, Aram? Let's go. Yeah, you nerding out on fib deviations, Tinnick? Yeah, it's not that it's wrong, it's just not part of my system. I play less emphasis on fibs anyway. But nothing wrong with it. Fibs are juice. Graphene manufacturing companies, let's go. Yeah, you got a ticker? I'll take a look. Hey, you don't know about them? How's the back testing look? Is it looking like it's juicy or GMG? Yeah, VWAP is really juicy. Tinnick. Yeah, I like looking at that. Right, I'm gonna try and go into like a relatively naked chart with few indicators. GMG. I might add that to my list just so we can nerd out on it together later. Good graphing. Okay, there we go. Neo. Let's get it in daily.
Watch it, wait for the moment. Once it hits, we own it. This is our lane, our throne. KIMBA gang forever, we grown.
Yeah, I'm retarded. Yeah, you got that high up here. That's pretty nice. Way back in 21, huh? I had to nerd out on the fundamentals.
It's time to juice. Yeah.
Are you for real, Fredward? That's too funny, dude. That's too funny. $3. Bad highs all above there. Flip $3 and things are looking good for Graphene Manufacturing Group. Yeah, that's a nice little move. The difference is that it's not at all-time highs, unlike silver. But yeah, if you got in before the breakout, that's juice. Really juicy. That's like a 3x. 2.5x, that's nice. Oh, back in the gap. Uh-oh. But it closed above. No, it didn't.
Yeah, I said it's our time. Didn't stutter when I called it. Miss last run, it's the one you can't stall it. Payouts in motion, more juice than the
and you got that clean. Got that clean on ES. Uh-oh. But still, ES losing the range. If it tucks back in, that's a good thing. Bitcoin not convinced. Still holding, as we were kind of talking about. Yeah, exactly, Stray. It's not a bad thing to sit on your hands and wait for structure. You may not have the most Gucci entry, you may have a little more risk, but at least you have invalidations. Yeah, it may be slowing down RM. That was a big wick up on that move to almost $3. But yeah, that's juice. Congratulations, brother. How did you even start looking at that? Let's go, Mr. Riyadh. Crypto ETF ticker Sato. Lord of mercy, Fredward. Are you in that? He dumped his retirement fund into it. I was trying to type it with one hand. That didn't really work out. Are you fucking for real? There's a bunch of Satos. Sato verified. I mean, could you get a longer name on this thing? It's in the 786. It's in the golden pocket. Dude. This thing's looking like Sato's equity curve, isn't it? I'm just kidding. Love you, Sato. Ah. Depot. Ah. Depot. Ah. Just kidding. Galaxy Crypto, is that the right one? Yeah, it's Galaxy because it's going to intergalactic, dudes. I'm not TAing this thing. Crazy. I don't even want to put up NVIDIA. But I kind of do. We've already TA'd these and have high time frame plans on these. How about Baba? I haven't looked at Baba. Ooh. I haven't looked at Baba in a minute. That was a juicy day yesterday. We got earnings season coming up soon. When's our juicy earnings? I need to nerd out on that a little bit. Not going to the moon, it's going to the galaxy, it's going universal. It's going to the fucking multiverse. I don't even know that's how it works. I don't even know what chart I'm on, really. S&P, Bitcoin, yeah, okay, I'm good. Oh my god, that was so nuky, and then whole VWAP. Whole VWAP and point of control, like... I think we're gonna get a whole lot of this. Especially if S&P or ES holds VWAP and tucks back in. It's trying to. Yeah, we'll give it the full initial balance and start trying to read it. Banks earnings this week. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's go Tita Poco. Let's go Luxlayer. Dash looks pretty juicy. I know what does look juicy for sure, is always looking juicy, is the motherfucking exclamation dashboard. Someone in Florida named their kid 6'7", god damn it. JV, you're not American, are you? I would short that too. It is so fucking ridiculous. Speaking of which, so like Mrs. Mandalo takes baby Mandalo to like these little classes and things a few days a week. She's like 3, so she's not in school or anything, but they do like little fun education things, and she was at one yesterday and they were learning a lot about the letter W and all the things that start with W, and they put up like pictures of walruses and whales and stuff, and then they put up this picture of this little critter, and everything, it starts with W, mind you, and one of the parents is like, little Timmy, whatever the kid's name was. That's a possum. That's a possum. And Mrs. Mandalo is like, are you for real? This is W. This is W. And Baby Mandalo was like, yeah, I fucking got this. It's a wombat. And Baby Mandalo said wombat. And the mom who said it was a possum was actually arguing that it was a possum still. Like, what? Not only is it not looking the same, it doesn't start with W, you dumbass. So I am with you, JV. Let's short it. Yeah, JV, the problem is that fucking there's so many stupid people that it's like the norm. And the stupid people are like, find ways to take your money like they just increase your taxes or something. People are getting fed, yeah. And not being able to change your opinion, corrected by a 3-year-old. And the 3-year-old's right. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely, Fredward. I'm fine. I want to be right. I don't want to look dumb. I want to know it all. Even if I'm so sure I'm right about something, show me the facts, show me the evidence, I will change my tune. Short global IQ, yeah, for real. Well, we have AI, so we don't need to worry, right? We don't need to think for ourselves. They're in for a rude awakening when AI begins replacing people. You know it already is happening. Privacy coins are the future, Fredward. XMR is juicing. Privacy coins, privacy coins. Is this 2021? We'll take a look. We got a little bit of time in the initial balance. XMR. You in spot or you in a leverage position, Fred? Word. I guess I'll look at this one. Yeah, Monero. I mean, they've been around forever. That's juice. It is juice. This reminds me a lot of what was that other one? Like another Dino coin. Yeah, that's a juicy candle. Lord have mercy, in the past 3 days, what the fuck happened? They got an unlock? Jeez, that is a hell of a breakout. It's like 2x in 3 days. Almost. Not really, but it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. And that's what it is right there. What is it, 2021? How did I not even look at this chart for like so long? I'm out of it though. Yeah, I miss shit like this. What was that other one that we were looking at that was so juicy in like October? Yeah, 800 probably. Psychological level. I don't think it's going to 1,000. Let's go, Blank John. Alt season's coming next week. Yeah, maybe. Zcash, there we go. Thank you. The Zcash, like they just rotated their profits into this. Yeah, we gotta have narratives. All right. How's Zcash doing? Ugh. I forgot. Oh. Yeah, they're rotating their profits into that. And that looking super great. On the daily. You know, it's still juice. It's still above, sort of, previous all-time high. It needs to make sure it doesn't close below, but holding on the weekly, kind of. It did close below that previous high. Well, if it's not doing it on the weekly, let's make sure it's doing it on the monthly. There we go. Okay, now it fits our bias. It's still bullish. Daily, that's what I want. That's what I want. Holding value, but inside. Yeah, we said that. We said that up here. Thursday. I don't know when we did that, but it broke from value, failed, came back in. I know that we did this before when it broke above this and pulled value on that range. Yep, so it tried to accept right back inside, failed, back in. Yeah, nothing surprising. Look at this one now. I'll give it a little credit. Maybe like push value area up a little higher. Yeah, we really don't want to close down inside here though. Unless you're trying to get filled at 200. And I know a lot of people are. I'm not trying to go through all the shit coins this morning. We'll look at ETH and SOL real fast. 3150, big high time frame level. Even worse than Bitcoin holding these lows, but similar structure. Yeah, and there's your 2900, where we just rolled up from. Yeah, maybe around Thursday it'll start doing something. Maybe tuck back in the channel. Keep holding this 3-year channel. Somebody said they were looking at Link. Soul 141. Shout out to KIMBA on his 117 $20 million position. That's looking actually a lot better structure. They still haven't swept up here, but this remains resistance. Remains resistance. It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. It's not like really a valid trend line. Oh, let's make it look bullish. Extra bullish. It's breaking out on the daily. How about 4 hour? It's breaking out on the 4 hour. It's looking okay for now. You need to like actually recapture 145. That opens up the 160 to 165, then the 180, and potentially up to the 193 to 200 range that Kimbo's target was the last time I saw it. Sweat the bad low on ES. Nice. Let's get back over there. Oof. Oof. Yeah, and meanwhile, Bitcoin. Honey Badger. Yeah, ES is barding. Realistically, like that naked point of control is structurally not a bad place for a bounce or a target. We're at PDEQ, but we're kind of in no man's land in this inefficiency. Yeah. Kind of need to hold that monthly VWAP just to maintain like higher low structure. But nothing is, I mean, it's not that far. You could always tuck back in. I just have reservations on extreme bullishness at major highs, and this being an all-time high off of taken off of CPI. I'm reluctant to get too enthusiastic. Yeah, that's right, JV. Yeah, I do, Tinik. Yeah, because that is major areas. It's not like liquidity or structure, but they help to define structure. Look at Dash, Patrice. Okay. Alright, I forgot about Dash. My bad, dude. I mean, it looks pretty bumpy. It looks like silver. Silver before it broke out. Huh. You think there's much longs in it? Holy shit, that was a good move today. Wasn't it? Wow. Much longs? Let's go on the daily. These goddamn altcoins, man, they do it all at once, huh? Don't give you any time. That's like a 2x in one day. Jesus, 478. Seems cheap. How long is this? 2 years? Yeah, need to get outside of this. Need to get outside of there somewhere. Yeah, and looking at like, and I mean, this is weekly structure. So I'll make that thing tiny. I can't do it with a song. I can't think with it. Oh my god, dude. How many times did you see me click that?
I got a plan to take this trade. Maybe we can ride this move. Catch the breakout before
At least daily.
any setups better. Starting from zero,
Yeah, right at this level.
risk planned out and tight.
Yeah, they're pretty much want to hold this zone to show acceptance. That's kind of your flip right here. Right there to like right here. Hold above 50 and it's looking a lot better. That's a big push. That's a lot of longs in that though. Jesus. Shout out to Patrice. Yeah, it didn't really sweep anything though. It's not a sweep if we like get closes up here. Yeah, hold 50. Hold 50. Better. Better.
You got a clean chart. We go scalping just to catch some juice. Trade room full of laughter. Sharing wins. No
Yeah, maybe you get a sweep up there if it holds. Naked point of control would be interesting. 2 minutes left in the initial balance. Hey, to the balcony. I need to get this real fast. Sorry, guys. $94K short, 90.5K long. You're juicing. Let's go, JV. Can't lose. Maybe. Maybe Tito. It's like Biddy's holding and S&P is pulling back, so it's either like taking its time before it catches up and it'll play catch up later, or S&P will bounce and both Biddy and S&P will run. But that's not looking that bouncy yet. That's not a great looking initial balance. Alright, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Estamos prendidos, vamos allá. Desde la mañana marcando niveles, esperando la hora para entrar donde duele. La pantalla brilla, los verdes me llueven. El chat encendido, la familia se mueve. No suerte, plan y paciencia, sumando entrada con pura ciencia. En el gráfico veo mi tendencia y cuando rompe, eso es ganancia. Si la vela es tan dulce, cuando cierro en profit y la cuenta me impulsa. ¿Qué más da? Si la entrada fue justa, la jugamos bien y la ganancia se disfruta. You pa' mí, you pa' ti, en el dream deme cuenta dónde está la moda, esperamos el edge. Nunca lo loco, cuando llega el punto entramos con todo. Top break even, mente tranquila. 33% y aseguramos la silla. El resto lo dejamos correr para la cima. Mientras el chat celebra puro clima de rima. ¿Qué más da? Si la vela es tan dulce. Cuando cierro el profit y la cuenta me impulsa. ¿Qué más da? Si la entrada fue justa. La jugamos bien y la ganancia se disfruta. You pa' mí, you pa' ti. En el dream todos vamos a subir. Luz verde aquí, pa' la city. KIMBA gang siempre ready pa' invertir. You pa' mí, you pa' ti. Compartiendo la victoria hasta el fin. Nos miramos y decimos sí. Hoy la fiesta es de puro train aquí. Y seguimos contando. Cada trade, cada vela que vamos cazando. La cuenta brillando. Y la música en el stream sigue sonando.
Catch it up later. You think it'll catch up later? Yeah, Betty, these lows are not great. That low is not great. That's a good target. Need to fall back inside value though. Still holding. And look, that initial balance closing above PDEQ. Could be worse. I would be maybe looking at that as if I'm conservatively long. If you get this, that's a good sign. Yeah, and Betty still might be able to clean these highs. Every green candle on ES, Betty pumps. Doesn't matter if it's microscopic or not. Every red candle on ES, like that's a Nuki candle. It's a doji. That's still a green candle, and ES was. It's not like ideal conditions for shorting until liquidity is grabbed. Let's go Stray. Let's go Tito Pupo. Shoutouts PSG. Space trading competition still going on. KCEX. Links at an interesting level. Let's go Res QQ. How we doing? All right, we'll look at Link really quick. I'm gonna open Sui for fun, and then we'll just like kind of start to wind down. I gotta make it a hard stop, maybe even before 11. Yeah, going for that high now. Ridiculous. Yeah, this is bad. All the way to that single print. So that's your first kind of sweep zone. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it took the single print though, the way it's reacting. Structure looks pretty good. Similar structure. Without taking the high yet. Previous week VWAP. A little bit of resistance there. I would say a little bit more than a little resistance. I got this. And then we get that local. It's all pretty close. Yeah, I think that 13.5 is probably coming.
Let's get juice, profit σε φόρμα. Στείνω levels, κοιτάω absorption. Liquidity hunt, παγίδα exhaustion. Δεν κάνω these μόνο.
Yeah, for like the weeks range.
Αν δεν έχει edge, δεν μπαίνω no play.
Holding value. Breaking out of value. Breaking out of previous day value now. Holding previous day value area high on this retest. Yeah. Now just see if it tucks back in. See higher targets. That high is good. Maybe the naked pointing control. That's a good low. And holding the range. So breaking out of that $12 range, all that. Holding on that retest earlier, yesterday. Naked pointing control, golden pocket. And on the consolidation, I'm gonna go down to that 30-minute chart again. See what kind of volume we had transacted up here. Not too losing it. Somewhere around there. Yeah, you start to accept above this high pretty much. That's not a sweep level. The dotted line is a sweep level, but start to accept above this. These highs are on the table. At least this one. Yeah, 14 is on the table if we start to get some closes up here, especially on higher time frame. Biddy keeps running. Yeah, it's looking good for that. At 15, it's not great. Golly, these lows. Unreal. But Bitcoin not looking all that much better. And we're not down there. So you can't even think about them. That's pretty far away. It's like 10% away. A little more. For Buzz, shoutouts Buzz. Oh. Buzz is like, why can't this Dino coin pump? It's not even worth it to me. Those highs are bad, but it's pushing on these lows pretty hard. Still holding that bad low right here. Pump it up.
Get up if you came to see that pump. Chargers jumping, KIMBA gang in the front. You came to get that coin. More than 5 O's in the trade, then get it on. Click buy, ride that wave, then get it on. Mark them levels up, came to get it on.
Ooh-wee. Alright, let's get that single print in here. Trading into it. Yeah, we'll come back to this one right before I turn on the sign out. Here's your pump it up. You get a mini green candle on ES and Bitcoin running. You're waiting a short scalp. Strave. Yeah, we need to tuck back inside. Got some strength here. About to have a 4-hour close. Yeah, I just want to see order flow one last time. Get some longs coming in. I just want to see this. Yeah, a lot of this, like, it pumps and then it gets, like, it fills somebody. They take profit on it. That's what I was looking at. Yeah, we're flipping previous day value though. Just like what we were looking at. It was resistance, tucked back in, held point of control, and then, you know, breaking out, flipping it into support. Tuck back in for a sweep. Still, that's local. You want to make sure that it tucks back in below like the 92.4. Yeah, if it tucks back inside previous day value, like the 92.2, that's when I would start being like, okay, well maybe this is a short here. But otherwise, like, you go to a higher time frame candle and this is looking nice. That's not looking that bearish, is it? Yeah, let me get my drawing tools. Where's the... You know where my drawing tools are. There we go. Oh, it's parabolic. We fit the parabola to our bias. Oh my goodness. Big Fang Thing's coming in at 70, 7,010, 7,005 maybe? 7,005? And a little something by strike. 69.90. And that's 7,000 for all expiry. Big. Exclamation XO. Big POC is a level. Yeah, 91.2, 91.3. Oh, one here. Previous week value area low. Or 93.799. Yeah, that might even be a sweep level. Funny thing is, on Bibito, it's not even longs coming in. And now the shorts are starting to get underwater. Yeah, that could be some fuel. Yeah, this one doesn't have Coinbase. This one does. Yeah, we'll see where this ends up. It might invalidate the bearish divergence if it keeps running. It's not that much spot buying. And not much liquidations yet either. Yeah, there's a little bit in this candle, like right on that little wick, but not much. Exclamation dashboard. Exclamation dashboard. Any last minute questions? Let's go, Ago. Don't you know, pump it up, pump it up. Yeah, Tito. S&P helped me. Yeah, losing value area low. Things could look better. If it pulls back, the first level to look around would be like the 6950 on index, 6970 on ES. Yeah, watch for a swing fail here. Let's go, Fredward. Thank you for the resub, brother. Let's go, Gypsy Artist. Shout outs, Gypsy. Bay Chairs. Gypsy does some amazing work. Let's go. Yeah, search for him in Discord. He's got some cool ass shit in there. You can't subscribe? What? He's gifting subs. Oh my goodness. He juicing. Big cheers, brother. Thank you, brother. Let's go. Let's go, Barentina. He juicing. He's gifting subs. He's juicing. 40 months, Gypsy. Oh my gosh. Zigma, we already checked ETH. It's just beholden to Bitcoin. You want ETH levels? Yeah, need a sweep. Didn't. And that 3170, kind of an important level. You got like this very close. 3181, so bad highs. We need to get above this. It's not as good as Bitcoin. I mean, in general, ETH isn't as good as Bitcoin anyway, but the structure isn't. And with S&P getting sold into, losing the level with the bearish retest, you kind of need that to pump, or you want it to pump if it's during RTH. Yeah, as soon as the market closes, things may change. S&P, help me. Yeah, it's classic ETH for V's. For real. Yeah, ETH is not something I'm super interested in. Whoa. Oh, it's because I had the gaps on. Shout out to CoinWise. These are for the overnight gaps. If you have the RTH, ETH gaps on, I forgot about that. And you pull it up on like Coinbase or something, you can see where the gap was and if it fills or not. That's pretty cool. Shout outs CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise, shout outs Byte. Shout outs to the whole CoinWise team. Juice! Exclamation CoinWise 14-day free trial. Exclamation dashboard for all of the other tools, exchanges. You can customize your avatar floating around at the bottom of the screen. That was purely by accident. It is a cool thing though, especially if you're like working, watching overnight. During RTH. Yeah, love CoinWise. Let's go, Gypsy. Yeah, we've been juicing. Bubbles, don't try to flip it. You'll likely lose it. Yeah. Take small trades. do $1 trades and learn. Practice. If you lose $1 at a time, that's 50 trades. If you win some of them, you get even more trades and experience. Lots of small trades. Don't just trade anything. Start like practicing and learning. Because you stretch that time out, you can save up some money. Once you start building some confidence, I mean, honestly, I would probably wait and do some demo trading first. Get some, or paper trading, demo trading. Start to build your confidence and know the TA a little bit better. And then put a little bit of money in, and then still trade small. You're not getting rich in trading. Well, definitely not getting rich quickly. That's a long-term thing. Yeah, most traders do not get rich from trading. They already have income that they are willing to risk, that they have accepted the possibility of losing those funds, and begin to juice up over time as their analysis and decision making improves. Because you can have the best analysis in the world, and if you can't execute, then it's not really very useful to you. But yeah, practice, join the Discord. Exclamation Discord, it's free. I wouldn't want to lose the golden pocket at all, Weasel, if it's a SFP. Yeah, you don't even want it to have any closes up there. So you're talking about like ES? I mean, every time they take the high, it has a sell-off. Every time. What is this? Yeah, the sweep failure pattern. It did not lose the golden pocket. Let's see how it played out. Here's our pullback. Wick to the golden pocket to the pixel and sold off. Then flip the 05 into resistance. Yep. Yeah, you don't want any closes in the golden pocket, even like really on the 5 minute. You kind of go with like the 30, but sometimes you don't have time for all that. Yeah, that played out. That played out. That was nice. Yeah, as soon as it closed back inside, that was some people's trigger, and that was the level right here. You got to close back inside. People were selling into that retest as soon as it wicked back down. Oh, juice, Bugatti, he reaving. We're trying to get back up there. 4 hour close coming. Oh my gosh, strong. Exclamation, we strong. I'm strong if you strong. Let's go, Bubbles. Yeah, don't rush it. Don't rush it. It's a long time thing. Yeah, it's how long you stay in the game. A lot of people burn out before they even give themselves a chance. You're talking about gold, Weasel? On gold. Okay. I mean, the same thing there. It was a swing fail. That actually was a legitimate swing fail.
we solve for X. Positive mindset, no need for stress. Equations align, precision
To the pixel on the sweep level on that second candle also.
every problem, every twist, every turn. We've got the tools and we've got the nerve.
Yeah, there weren't any closes back above. Yeah, and that's a 5-minute candle. Are you looking at 30-minute charts or higher? You're talking about the retracement? I don't know about shorting precious metals, dude. Yeah, it's kind of holding this. 4,600. It's the CFDs too, so it's not like. What is it on CME? XIU. I don't know why I don't just save it. There we go. That's not even the right one. I don't know, dude. You see how much I charted on CME? I mean, value area high. And that's to the pixel for value area high on our developing session. Yeah. I don't know. I think that was the short and that was it. You probably will get some consolidation up here if it doesn't just continue running. Some of you might get that that 95 that you're looking for. It's going to help for ES, S&P to legitimately reclaim inside here. We have 1 minute remaining. Grab that single print. Let's go, Amanello. Thank you for the resub. It's got to be testnet. Let's go, Blanchan. Juice. Juice. Did it get the whole single print in the 30? I didn't mean to be showing it like that. Up, close. That's a strong 4-hour candle. Yeah, I got the whole thing. Both of them. And then closing above with the single print. Naked pointing control up here. Yeah. I know, it's looking pretty good. Let's go, Tofu Creeper. Happy days. Let's go, Amanello. S&P, help me. Yeah, too funny. Honey Badger. S&P dumps, Bitcoin holds. S&P pumps, Bitcoin pumps harder. That's the definition of a bull market, dudes. What's there to be bearish about? We came in at expectations on CPI. Yeah, it could be a reverse. 46.30 short. Let's go, Weasel. Stop loss and profit. There you go. I mean, you got structure. Yeah, Curvies. I mean, like, dude, all these goddamn dino coins. There's something going on. If you're juicing, congratulations. I'm very happy for you. I've been there in 2021. Get it. Get it. Yeah, and make hay while the sun is shining. We've had some dark days. Juice up. Dot almost up 10%. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get out of here. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. I think we got a talent show later, right? Exclamation dashboard. Shout outs to Coinwise. Shout outs to Ludo. Thank you for the resub.
With KIMBA gang, we've paved the way.
Shout outs to the talent show.
We rise above. With math and reason.
Shout outs to the exchanges. Got the BLOFIN competition. Extended. Let's go. Exclamation KOJ. We got KCEX mega huge depot bonus going on. Up to 21K in deposit bonuses. That is so juice. Yeah, I like the sound of that. I'm gonna have to depot a little bit over there. My trading account looks like Sato's. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. Shout outs to Who Juicin'. Shout outs to the entire team. Much love to you all. Shout outs to all the Lions, the OGs, the veterans, the VIPs. Let's go calling noob. Coke Zero. Rajalicious. Patrice. Tita Poco. Revs QQ. Have a great day. MJ. Ludo. Curvies. Happy 420. Shout outs PSG. Lux Slayer. Bergix. Leo. Much love, gang. Shout outs, Gypsy. Let's go. Juice up, y'all. If you don't use stop loss, I'm gonna slap the shit out ya. Yeah. Let's go, Latisse, Baratina. I'm out of here. Big thank you to Kimba as always. Much love to the team. Shout outs Coinwise, all the exchanges. Exclamation dashboard, exclamation Discord. Shout outs PSG. Let's go, Yariand. Thank you for the resub, brother. Diamine. Alright, choose. Have a great day. Much love. Peace. Yeah, juice and Tita Poco. Let's get it. That's a great way to send out. Alright, later, y'all. See you on Thursday. Come to the talent show this afternoon. Let's go.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.